everyone, and welcome to the latest episode of the Dark Highway Recording Studio Tour. And in this episode, we're going to be talking about this monstrosity. This is the main console we have here at the studio. This is a Behringer Eurodesk MX9000. It's a 48-track, 8-bus analog mixer. And before you rake me over the coals for having a Behringer product in a professional recording studio, let me first say that this is used only for monitor mixes. All the mixing we do in the studio is actually done on Pro Tools, but I keep this around because I'm old school and it's a very quick and dirty, visual and tactile way to listen back to what you've recorded and hear how it's sounding. It's also great for recording a live band because you can get everyone's headphone mix essentially the way you want, and then you can pipe it back into everybody's cans, everybody's headphones. I think I originally bought this mixer because it had this master section. First of all, you've got a talkback mic, so you can just press this little button here and talk into the mic or just talk in the room, and that goes into everybody's headphones, but not into the control room monitors and not into any of the tracks you're recording. So it's pretty neat. You've got separate levels for everybody's headphones, like the studio level that everybody hears in the vocal booth in the live room, and also in the control room. So this is independent. Right? So that's kind of nifty. Now, coming back to Behringer, I really cannot say enough bad things about Behringer. Not only are their products, in my experience, of inferior quality and reliability, but this board has a bit of a story behind it. I purchased this board about 15 years ago. I bought it new from an official Behringer distributor and got it back to the studio. We unboxed it and plugged it in and found that it didn't work, and tried to claim warranty on it. And even though it was less than a month old, like it had been purchased less than a month before, and it was done all through an official Behringer distributor, Behringer would not accept the warranty on it. And I've never experienced anything like that in my life, and I haven't experienced anything like that ever since. Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. So I was stuck with it. So we took it back to the studio. I opened it up. I found that a lot of the circuit boards, the PCBs, that are normally connected with ribbon cables, the ribbon cables weren't even plugged in most cases. So they obviously didn't test these products before they left the factory. Absolutely terrible. Anyway, I got it fixed, ended up working, but what an ordeal. And I've never encountered a company that would sell you something that's that expensive that would not stand behind their product in any way. Anyway, I actually like this. It's got 8 buses and it's got 24 tracks. This is connected up right now to a 24-track ADAT. So basically the ADAT is recording whatever you're recording. It's recording the actual signals through proper external preamps, in my case Focusrite. And the output, the monitor mix from the 24 tracks goes into the 24 inputs of this board. And then you can mix it however you like, and you can play it in various places. So I just have some basic mix up and running right now, and you could turn it up and hear what you got. You can isolate different instruments, so if you just want the guitars, you got that. If you want everything but the guitars, you got that. So there you go. Thank you for watching. I will be doing more episodes in this series and covering all of the equipment in my setup. You guys are awesome. See you in the next video.